Hello friends, welcome to Abednego Math class. Today we are looking at complex number, and under the complex number we are looking at powers of I. In powers of I, first of all we said I is equals to the square root of minus 1. So I square will be square root of minus 1 all square, which is equals to minus 1. So I raised to power 3 is the same thing as I square times I. That's to say, and I square is minus 1. So we're going to have minus 1 times I, and the thing give us minus I. That is I raised to power 3. I raised to power 4 will be I square times I square, which is equals to I square is minus 1. Don't forget, minus 1 times I square again is minus 1. Everything give us minus I minus is plus 1 times 1 is what? 1. Okay, if we now begin to evaluate, let me say I raised to power 20. I raised to power 20 is the same thing as I raised to power 2 times I raised to power 2 times I raised to power 2 times I raised to power 2, like that, up to, let me say, 10 times I raised to power 2 times I raised to power 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times I raised to power 2, that's 8, times, let's say, I raised to power 2 again times I raised to power 2, that is I20. But this one might be very long for us. Now, even if we place it and say even if we replace it and say that I raised to power 20 is the same thing as I raised to power 2 times 10, because 2 times 10 is 20. And what is I raised to power 2? I raised to power 2 is minus 1, and raised to power 10, and the answer is what? 1. So when I is raised to even number, you know that the answer is always a positive 1. And then when the I is raised to an odd number, let's see what we have. So if I say what is I25? I25 will be I times I raised to power 24. Then we now break this one. We are going to have, if we break it, we are going to have I raised to power I times I raised to power 2 times 6. 2 times 12. And 2 times 12 is 24. So what would that be? It would now be I times I raised to power 2 is minus 1, then it's raised to power 12. So it will now be I times I raised to power, minus 1 raised to power 12 is 1. So I times 1 is what? I. So finally, I raised to power 25 is what? I. So we call this simplification on powers of I. So try this one. Let me see what you're going to have. Try I raised to power 30, I raised to power 50, I raised to power 72, I raised to power 93. Drop the answer in the comment section and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.